Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Apple TV remote application not scrolling in 2026. Now on the Apple TV remote, scrolling works through the swipe gestures. So you need to make sure that you are swiping lightly on the touch area and not tapping. If gestures are not detected properly, scrolling may not work. Your iPhone and the Apple TV should also be on the same Wi-Fi network for it to work. If they are on the different networks or the different mobile data, the remote may connect but may not respond correctly. So you need to make sure that you reconnect both the devices to the same network. Now, even after doing this step, it is still not working. What you can do is you can just simply restart your iPhone and your Apple TV as well. Once both the devices restarted successfully, then you can open your remote again. This particular step alone is going to fix all of the connection related problems. You can also remove Apple TV from your remote application and then you can add it again. This is going to rebuild the pairing between your phone and the TV. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.